Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And just today, I would like you to listen to me very, very careful because what I'm explaining is what makes this video very, very productive. And if you really want to learn, this is what you need to know. So this is a new hairstyle, and of course to those who have tried it, you know, when we are going to do the braiding, this is the method that we always use, the inward knotless braiding. So this time around I've got the Afro Bulk Kinky, and then we are trying to make our parting, and this is how it is going to be. Then after making your parting, you just have to separate it into 3 portions like this. Yes, and then you bring your Afro bamboo kinky and then you add it here, then you start braiding. So this is very, very simple, as in braiding. To those ones who have been watching all the detailed videos that I've been doing for you, yes, then we just braid it in this inward knotless braiding. So what I'm going to do first, if you want to see more of it, I'm going to add in the link in the description. You go and check it out. But when we are doing this hairstyle, all you need to know is your parting is very, very important. How are you going to part the hair? And of course, still parting the hair, it also depends on it also depends on the hair texture. Yes, hair texture. If someone's hair is weak, fine hair, there is the way you also have to part it, like the box says out. Because if you try to look at this hair, it is fine hair, it is soft, it is not thick. Yes, maybe you may see it, but it's not thick. So as you're braiding, you braid it this way, and you make sure that as you're braiding, it is in the inward knotless braiding. And of course, all you need to make sure is the lines are very perfect. So if you try to look at the parting, I'm doing it somehow bigger, okay, because I know her hair is soft. And of course, it doesn't matter somehow, somewhere, even if your hair is thick. I don't want to say that if you know your hair is thick, then do it smaller. No, but probably someone might come and they want it smaller. So I wouldn't advise, if that person is with fine hair and then you do it small. At least try to advise them not to do so. So when we do it this way, of course you can see how I'm trying to braid them inward knotless braiding, and this is very, very simple at those ones who have been following my videos. So after doing all this, the Afro bamboo kinky hair extension that I'm adding is not I'm adding a small extension. Otherwise, if it was her own hair, we could, if her hair was very thick also, we would just braid her hair only without adding any hair extension. So for this person, her hair is not that fine, it's not that thick, so we are trying to add in the small extension so that it becomes firm, and again to create that volume where we are going to be adding our branches. Okay, yes. So again, I would say that this is not only for straight lax hair. We can all do it, even if you have straight lax hair, you can do it, and those with natural hair. So after it all, you can see my boxes are really bigger, and of course we would you imagine, like, if her hair was very thick and then you do these boxes, this parting very small, it would have turned the natural twist extensions. Oh no, they are the natural twist, like this one they call the loose twist. They would have done like that. So we just add in a small extension to create that body in the way that we just add our extensions to look good. Then after, we just have to lock down. You lock down and we make sure that since it's going to be with branches, we don't want it to be longer, because when we add on our extension, still it is going to be long. So we make it not long, we make it shorter in the way that even our branches are on there very, very perfectly. So we lock with our crochet just like this, and this is how it looks. You don't have to make it very, very long. So you can make all the braids that you have done in that same size, because it is very good also to maintain the size, not like the behind, the long, and then the front, maybe they are very long, or maybe the behind are short and then the front are long. No way. We just have to maintain the size. If you choose one side, if from behind, let it be like that so that it follows the steps. If you can try to look at them, they are in steps. Okay, they're in steps, and this is what we want, so that when we're adding on our branches, they're also going to be in steps. Yes, and then they turn out nicely. So this is how it is. So let's try to add on our branches, and this is going to be very simple. You choose like the branches you want to add on, okay? But again, we need to calculate in the way that it doesn't become bulky. Okay, yes, so the more the branches, the more becomes bulky. So you have to add on where it is necessary. So I might choose, let's say on my strand, I will add like 3 branches, or maybe I might add 2 only. Yes, but I don't think someone will only do 1 branch. No way. There have to be 2 or 3, as you can see here. So here I'm putting 1 at the end because we want it to look more natural. Okay, then after I can add on the second one on the side. Like I just go as I'm adding on those branches so that it creates that volume. So again, this is very simple for you to know. That's why I say that you need to listen as we're watching the video, because what I'm saying, I'm making sense to the video so that you also understand it very, very perfectly. So here, after we're adding, I might choose like maybe the behind ones to create that volume that is very balancing. I might choose to add on 3, and then when I come on the front ones, I add 2.
Number 1, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Banobeba number 1. Buli chimu bachikola from the art. Obukugu bwa pulo. Temuli muyiga bonna bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master muwi, hima run them. Kuchembiri bakubwa, balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them are make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Dolina chongaba. They are by clippers fire. Oh na na, Dolina, Dolina chongamba, 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 Dolina, Dolina chongamba.
Okay, so now finally you can see how I created all this volume. Yes, from the strand, then to the branches, and then this is how it looks. So you just have to balance according to how someone wants it. So this person wants it when it can go behind, and then when it can make the sideway line, or of course the middle line. So this is how it looks. So I'm trying to shape it in the way that it looks very nicely. So this is how it is. So trying to add in the accessories of to create the lively and the beauty, and this is how it is going to look like. So to those ones who would want it very long, it is also okay, but I wouldn't advise. Yeah, it is not something that you'd want to hold it puff because of the branches. So you always have to come out. It always comes out nicely when it is short in that bob format, when you cannot hold the puff. Okay, yes, so this is what I got for you, but I use the afro bamboo kinky, so you can also get yours. And of course, if you have any kinky, you can use it from the start and then again to the spring twist. Of course, that is the extension that I use is also the spring twist. I'm going to add the link in the description so that you buy it yourself. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. May the Lord bless you all. I love you, and please don't forget to like the video. Yes, it is always amazing when you do that, and those ones who do it, may the Lord bless you all.
Touch of a critic master, yeah. Oh no, no, no. Got thorns around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingi te wongo yaka, yeah. Maurice the critic master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaka. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master.